Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sakshi Singhani and I create skincare, beauty and lifestyle content here. So if you're interested in that space, please consider subscribing to my channel. As you all already know, this video is about top 10 sunscreens and it is one of the highly requested videos on my channel. Now I'm not going to go into super detail of how sunscreen works, what are the different filters in the sunscreen, how much you should apply and a lot other things because that is whole another topic and I think I'll just make a separate video on that. But everyone should wear sunscreen, be it men or women. Sunscreens are super important. In fact, it is not a cosmetic but it is a drug, and I think that justifies the statement why each and everyone keeps screaming that please wear sunscreen. If there is one thing that you want to do for your skin, then that should be to wear a sunscreen. Now, if you still have not incorporated sunscreen in your skincare routine, then I think this is a very good reminder to please incorporate one. Sunscreen is the most important step in your skincare routine. All the other steps like toners, essence, actives, serums, these are all additional steps. So including those in your skincare routine is an option, but sunscreen is a must. Be it indoors, outdoors, sunny or be it cloudy, you have to wear a sunscreen. Sunscreen is not an option, it is a drug, so it is a necessity. Therefore, never skip on sunscreens. Now please wear a sunscreen. Now I know whenever I have posted something regarding sunscreen on my Instagram account, a lot of you have messaged me saying sunscreens are sticky, they give a lot of white cast, and that is why you hate applying sunscreen. So don't worry, this video is going to give you one perfect sunscreen for your skin type. So if you're oily, dry, combination, acne prone or sensitive, you are going to get one sunscreen for your skin type, and it is not going to be sticky or leave any sort of white cast. Like I said, I will not go into super detailed stuff about sunscreen, but I will give you few basic informations. There are two types of sunscreens, in fact three. First is physical sunscreen, second is chemical sunscreen, and the third is hybrid sunscreen, which is a mixture of both physical and chemical sunscreen. I have heard a lot of people say about chemical sunscreens that chemical sunscreens are bad, harmful, etc. etc. But I will try to simplify it with an example. You can think of physical sunscreen as Covishield and chemical sunscreen as Covaxin. What are these? These are two vaccines which are going to protect your body against the virus, right? The same way the physical and the chemical sunscreen is going to give you the protection, but the difference is they both work in a different way. Just like how Covaxin and Covishield work in a complete different way, the same way these sunscreens work in a different way. Physical sunscreens sit on top of your skin and reflects the UV rays, whereas chemical sunscreen absorbs into your skin and then they absorb UV rays, convert them into heat and then release it out of your body. So both these sunscreens are going to give you protection against the sun, but it's just that they work in different ways. And just like vaccine, it is very important to wear sunscreen. Now, to identify if it is a chemical or physical sunscreen, the chemical sunscreen will have filters like avobenzone, oxybenzone, and physical sunscreen will contain titanium dioxide or zinc oxide. And the third type of sunscreen, which is a hybrid sunscreen, will contain a mixture of both these sunscreens. Again, repeating, sunscreen is very important. It is a one-step solution if you want to age gracefully or you want to avoid the pigmentation and the sun damage. One more very important thing, if you are buying a sunscreen, you need to look for two things. One is the SPF rating and the other is the PA rating. And you should buy a sunscreen which has at least SPF 30 and PA++ rating. We've already made the intro very long, so let's start with the top 10 recommendations. So the first sunscreen is Requil Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. Now this sunscreen has got highest protection, that is SPF 50 and PA+++ rating, which means it is going to give you protection against UVA and UVB rays both. Now if you are someone who has got oily, acne prone or combination skin, you are going to love this. I will first show you all the texture of the sunscreen. It's like a gel formulation. It is super light on your skin. Now if I leaves no white cast whatsoever, and it feels like you have applied nothing on your skin. So if you're someone who has got oily, acne prone or combination skin, you are going to love this sunscreen because of its matte formulation. Even if you have got normal skin, you are going to love this sunscreen. And since we need to apply a good amount of sunscreen in order to protect our skin, this is one sunscreen that is not going to clog your pores or make you feel like there is some kind of congestion on your skin, because it has got ultra matte finish. This is also water and sweat resistant, and as it has got velvety finish, it is perfect to also apply makeup on. This literally feels like nothing on your skin, so I would highly recommend this to someone who has got oily, acne prone or combination skin. It has a little bit of fragrance, yeah, like just a little bit. So if you are someone with very sensitive skin type, you might just want to patch test, but otherwise this is one of the best sunscreens that I have used. Now, as it is an ultra matte sunscreen, I have not seen anyone who has got dry skin talk about this sunscreen, but since I have got dry skin, I personally love using this sunscreen too, because I go very heavy with my moisturizer. So yes, even if you're dry skin type, just go heavy with your moisturizer and use this sunscreen, and you are going to love this sunscreen. But oily skin people, this is going to be your holy grail product. The next sunscreen is from the brand Earth Rhythm. Now this sunscreen again has got SPF 50 and PA++++ rating, which means it has got the highest protection. This is again going to protect you from UVA and UVB rays both. It is a hybrid sunscreen, which means it is a mixture of both physical and chemical sunscreen. It comes in a glass bottle and the packaging is super cute. It also comes in the pump packaging form. So coming to the texture of this sunscreen,
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.
it again leaves no white cast, even if it is a hybrid sunscreen. Coming to how it feels on skin and what skin type can use, it is not matte as the Requil Ultra Matte sunscreen, which I just showed you all. So if you are someone who has got oily or super oily skin, you will not need a moisturizer beneath this sunscreen. You can just wash your face, use your active, or even if you don't want to use your active, you can skip on to the moisturizer and directly use the sunscreen. But for dry and combination skin type people, you need to wear a moisturizer before you apply this sunscreen. This sunscreen again has got a very good formula. It does not feel sticky or give you any sort of white cast. Also, it provides the maximum protection, so it is one really good sunscreen to have. Also, you won't feel like a grease ball. Now, Earth Rhythm has got two types of sunscreen. One has got SPF 30 and the other one is this one, which has got SPF 50. So I would highly recommend you all to buy SPF 50 rather than SPF 30. If I'm not wrong, Earth Rhythm products are on sale, and I think they have got buy one get one offer. And even if not, I have noticed Earth Rhythm going on sale literally every month. The third sunscreen is the La Shield sunscreen. Now they have got a lot of variants in it, but this is the one which has got SPF 40 and PA+++ rating. Just like the other sunscreens, this is also a broad spectrum sunscreen, and it is going to give you protection against UVA and UVB rays. This comes from a very famous pharma brand, which is Glenmark. Coming to the texture of this sunscreen, the texture is like this. It again has got silicone velvety texture.
Tell me, what do you feel? Is it something inside of you that wants to be free?
It absorbs in your skin very quickly. If you're someone who has got dry, normal or combination skin type, you are definitely going to love this sunscreen. But I would not at all recommend this to someone who has got oily skin type, even though it is an oil-free sunscreen, because it might feel a little heavy on their skin. Personally, I have got dry skin type and I love to use this sunscreen. In fact, I have got 2 of these, and that of course tells you how much I love this sunscreen. It is also recommended by a lot of dermats, so you can easily find this in any chemist shop, and it also gives a nice glow. So I would highly recommend this to someone who has got dry, normal or combination skin type. Oily skin type, please stay away from this sunscreen. Next sunscreen is from the same brand, that is La Shield. Now this is the La Shield Physico Matte Sunscreen Gel, and it has got SPF 50 and PA+++ rating. Now this is a sunscreen which can be used by oily skin type. The texture of this sunscreen is like this. This again has got velvety finish. Now I'll be very honest, it says it is a matte sunscreen gel, but it is not super matte like the Requil Ultra Matte Sunscreen Gel. So if you want like that super matte texture and which feels like literally nothing on your skin, you should go for the Requil Ultra Matte Sunscreen Gel. And if you're someone who has got oily to combination skin type, then you can definitely give this a try, and you can skip on to your moisturizer. So yes, remember, La Shield SPF 40 is for someone who has got dry skin type, but La Shield SPF 50, the Physico Matte Sunscreen Gel, is for someone who has got oily to combination skin type. The fifth sunscreen is from the brand L'Oreal. It is their Aqua Essence Watery Gel Sunscreen. Now it has got SPF 50 plus and PA++++ rating, which means it is a broad spectrum sunscreen, and it is going to protect you from UVA rays, UVB rays, and also long UVA rays. I have used this sunscreen a lot like 3-4 years back, and I feel it is one of the most underrated sunscreens. The texture of this sunscreen is runny, like you can see. The texture is like a lotion. It is a very light sunscreen. I have not seen a lot of people speak about this sunscreen. I don't know why. The packaging is also super sleek. Now coming to the texture, it is very light on your skin. So if you are someone who has got combination normal or dry skin type, you are going to love this sunscreen. If you are oily skin type, you can maybe try out this sunscreen and see if your skin likes it or not. But I would not really recommend this for people who have got oily skin type, because I feel it is a little on the hydrating side. It's like hydrating yet super lightweight. So yes, if you're someone with combination normal or dry skin type, please give this a try. It's one amazing sunscreen and it gives a really good protection. Also, I love the applicator of this sunscreen. It has got like the pointy applicator. So if you're someone who applies 1-finger rule or 2-finger rule or maybe 3-finger rule, you can definitely buy this sunscreen because it makes it a lot more easier. So the next sunscreen is the Avène Day Protector. Now this has got SPF 30 and PA+++ rating. Now, if you're someone who has got super sensitive skin and none of the sunscreens have worked for you till date, you should definitely give this a try. Like, you can never go wrong with this sunscreen. It's a little on the expensive side, so if you have the budget and if you have got super sensitive skin and literally nothing has worked for you, you should definitely give this a try. This has also got Avène Thermal Spring Water, which is going to soothe your skin, and it also has got anti-inflammatory properties. The texture of this sunscreen is like this. This sunscreen is super duper light. It blends into your skin like dream, and this legit feels like nothing on your skin. So yes, if you have got oily, acne prone and sensitive skin type and other sunscreen seems to congest your skin or clog your pores, you should definitely give this a try. You can never go wrong with this sunscreen. The next sunscreen is from the brand Pure by Priyanka. It is their Sun Kissed Mineral Sunscreen. This is a physical sunscreen with SPF 30. I have talked about this sunscreen sunscreen in my Pure by Priyanka video. So I will link the video in the description box below in case you want to have a look at it. Coming back to the sunscreen, I have already finished this sunscreen, so it tells you how much I love this sunscreen. Texture of this sunscreen is like a moisturizer. Even though it is a physical sunscreen, it does not leave that heavy white cast. It just gives a subtle glow to your skin. This was like my go-to sunscreen whenever I was indoors. Coming to which skin type can use this sunscreen, I would recommend this to someone who has got dry, combination or normal skin type, but definitely not oily skin type, because I feel this is a hydrating sunscreen. Now I have seen a lot of bloggers recommend this to someone who also has got oily skin type, but I don't know how, because I, being a person with dry skin type, I never needed a moisturizer when I applied this sunscreen. So I just think this might become a little heavy for someone who has got oily skin type. But dry skin type people, please give this a try and you are going to love this sunscreen. The next sunscreen is a very famous sunscreen and most of you must have used it already. It is the Neutrogena sunscreen. This again has got SPF 50 plus and PA+++ rating. It is also a water resistant sunscreen. Now I know the packaging looks quite old. It's because I have already finished using this sunscreen. But to show you the texture, I might just scoop some out and
1 hour later.
show you all the texture.
Alone,
2,000 years later.
to hold, and I think, don't you worry, my friend, you've got time.
This sunscreen claims to have an ultra light texture with clean feel, but I would not really recommend this to someone who has got oily skin type because it felt like a hydrating sunscreen to me. I have used it a lot and I usually use this for my body as well. Also, being a dry skin type, I sweat a little after using this sunscreen, which means it's a little on heavier side. So that is also a reason I would not really recommend this to someone who has got oily skin type. But yes, people who has got dry skin type, you can definitely give this a try. And sometimes you might not need a moisturizer while using this sunscreen. The best part about this sunscreen is that it comes in two sizes. This is the bigger one and there's also a small size. So if you have never tested out this sunscreen, you can give the smaller one a try and then buy the bigger bottle. Also, the smaller one is super travel friendly. So if you want one sunscreen to carry it in your bag, you can definitely buy that and you will be good to go. The second last sunscreen is the Mamaearth Ultra Light Sunscreen. Now, Mamaearth face products have never really worked for me, but somehow I really like their sunscreen. It is again a hybrid sunscreen with SPF 50 and PA+++ rating. It has got avobenzone, which is a chemical filter, and also titanium dioxide, which is an ingredient for a physical sunscreen. Hence, this is a hybrid sunscreen. I would strictly recommend this to someone who has got dry skin type, but oily skin type people, please stay away from this sunscreen because it is a super hydrating sunscreen. Because I have got like super dry skin and I never really used a moisturizer whenever I applied this sunscreen. So coming to the texture of this sunscreen, the texture is very creamy. It leaves very slight white cast, which is more like a glow. Again repeating, oily skin type, please stay away from this as it will feel heavy on your skin and it will lead to sweating and feeling like a greasy ball. But dry skin type or combination or normal skin type, you can definitely give this a try. The last sunscreen is the Fix Derma Shadow Sunscreen. Now I don't have it with me as of now, but they come in two variants. One comes in a pump packaging and the other comes in a tube packaging. You can definitely give any of these a try. The one with pump packaging is a silicone matte cream, whereas the tube one is a sunscreen gel. Both are great for oily, combination, normal or dry skin type. The pump one is a little on the pricier side. It costs around 850 rupees, but the tube one is super affordable and like the best affordable sunscreen. It costs around 300, and both these sunscreens are easily available in any chemist shop. Also, the tube one is known to be a great dupe for the Avene sunscreen. So if you're someone who has got sensitive, oily or acne prone skin, you can definitely give this a try. I hope you have found one perfect sunscreen for your skin type. Now, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. If you have any other recommendations for me or for making any other videos, please leave them down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.